Alright fellas, I was messing around in the toolbox the other day, rearranging stuff. You know how it is. I opened up the drawers and I got these trays in there, and these trays piss me off every time I see them. And it's because they're just junk. They're old, they're thin, they're plastic trays, they're junk. And I figured before I throw them away, I'd try to see if I can get something to work. I don't know if you guys have any ideas out there, but if you do, let me know in the comments. I got two products here I'm going to try. It's the old Great Stuff, the new Great Stuff. Now this is just for everything. This is for windows and doors. Yeah, we'll give them both a shot and see how they do. I don't know, we'll see if this works. It's been a long time since I used this. Probably at least a few years. I'm sure it's past the expiration date, but like pickles, does it really matter? So yeah, this one is actually the better of the two cases. It's a Blue Point one. Yeah, it's cracked up. The other one I got is this actual snap-on one. This one's got holes in it, you can see. I mean, it's just, it's old. It's been put through its paces. So I'll go ahead and take all this stuff out of here, and we'll compare the back of these, see which one we want to use where. I don't know if you guys remember, but that's the busted ass tip they sent me to replace this other one. All I did was end up grinding it a little bit, and we'll call it good, because I ain't putting that junk ass thing in there when this one's gonna work fine. I mean, should have sent me a good tip, but they didn't. They sent me a like second-hand tip, and I know it's second-hand because there's the glue they used to pull it off of the damn Instinct handle. But whatever, that's neither here nor there. It's Snap-on, you pay for service, right? Right. This one's definitely got wider gaps in it. It's got a little bit more intricate. I think we'll use the blue window and door sealer on this one. We'll put the regular stuff in this one. Now this is the first time I'm doing it, so if this is a tutorial for you, you might want to wait until the very end and see how it actually works out before you start doing it, because it may suck, and if it sucks, I'm going to leave it up, the video is going to come out, and it's just going to suck for everybody. So it's just kind of the way I do things. I try not to suck, but you know, it is what it is. And there you go. It busted right the hell. Because this can's junk. Maybe not. Come on. Come on, girl. Give me what you got. Ah, the hell with you. Yeah, I'm going to take this down to the farm and I'm going to shoot it and call it good. But I am going to use this here window and door on this guy. It's gonna expand a little bit. I'm gonna have to come back, cut all this crap off. We'll see how it goes, but I'm gonna go to bed and we'll catch this up tomorrow. Oh, and almost always helps to take this off and clean this out, blow some air through there, and then you know, if you want to, if you're a little anal about it, put some alcohol in there and blow that out too. So yeah, we're going to do that. Yeah, that doesn't look clean, but you can blow right through there. If it fills up in there, I'll run a screw down it and pull all that crap out, like I did in the other one. Alright, so when I turned around, this stuff started spitting out the top, so I'm going to go ahead and use it without the little straw thingy. See how much of a mess we can't make. Okay, so here we are back after a day. Stuff is still kind of pliable. Now, one thing I did notice was it spread it out. It was awful warpy. Now this is a long piece, so maybe that has something to do with it, but notice the edges of these. They come out, they're awful poofy. So I don't know if that's going to work or not. We'll find out. If anything, I never liked these things in the first place. I'm just going to pitch them. So this is kind of an experiment that can go wrong. But I'm going to trim these up with some scissors here. Now, one thing great about these, I throw them in the sink, wash them off, throw them in the dishwasher. All that crap comes off of there. Greatest scissors I've ever owned, hands down. But you can also use a hacksaw blade that keeps it flatter. So we got most of it off. Still gotta go back over here and trim some of this. Yeah, that worked out pretty damn good. It's not totally flat. And I'm not sure, just kind of thinking out loud here, that you put some like WD-40 or something along the sides of this, or taped it maybe with some electrical tape or painter's tape. You don't have to clean all this crap off, you just peel it off. But at the same time, I didn't clean these, so there was probably oil and dirt and all kinds of crap on the bottom side of this, and this stuff stuck anyway. So painter's tape, electrical tape, duct tape, that kind of stuff would probably help out. You can tell on this one which ones were my flat blade versus Phillips tips, because the flat blades didn't poke holes like the Phillips did. Alright, so once all those tools are in there now, she actually lays down pretty flat. Yeah, that's a much more rigid case. That'll last quite a bit longer. Uh-oh. Issues. She got fat on me. And this was the regular great stuff. So I took those small gaps, made them big, compressed them. Now damn tools won't fit in there. Might be able to get in there with an X-Acto knife or something like that and clear some of that stuff out. Every one of them is going to be tight, I can just tell. Look at that. That thing moved that over 3/16, maybe 1/4 of an inch. That one's never going to fit in there without some work. Alright, so yeah. There's both these here great stuffs. In my opinion, this window and door is better. It expands more, but it doesn't push the sides in more. I had to do quite a bit of cutting and scraping to get this to where this piece would actually even fit in there. And it's still tight, and I went ahead while I was working on it and decided to go ahead and keep it tight because none of them fall out. Just kind of thought that was cool. Yeah, I did quite a little bit of cleaning up on this guy over here, and it's not perfect yet. I'm still gonna do some more because I'm kind of a pain in the ass like that, but I'll have to figure out a way to keep that in. This section was bowed out originally anyway. Yeah, it did work. This one worked a lot better. It's not perfect, but it'll work. So yeah, if you got yourself some of these old plastic trays, go ahead and get you some of that window and door great stuff. You'll be back to having stiff boxes in no time. As always, like, comment, share, subscribe, love, hate, hardknocksforge@gmail.com. Don't send me any pennies, because they never fit. Don't let the camera fool you. This is about 300 yards. Glock 27. You can tell there was a little bit of bullet drop